Right now we're going to be putting together the speaker kits for the cozy activity. So our final product should look a little something like this. And what you should have tape, electrical tape, styrofoam cup, strip of paper, square piece of cardboard, 2 small strips of cardboard that are folded in half, a coiled wire, 2 magnets, and a glue gun. So, to start out, what we're going to do is we're going to take a strip of paper and we're going to wrap it around the magnets. Now, what this does is it gives us a basic shape to coil our wire around so that it'll fit easily, so that the coil of wire will fit easily around the magnets. Now the trick here is to make sure that the magnets will fit easily inside this roll of paper. So to do that, after I wrap it around the magnets, I usually loosen it up a little bit, and then put just a quick strip of Scotch tape on it. Just like so. Then, what I do next is I take this roll of paper and I glue it to the bottom of this cup. Just like that. Now, I'm going to take, once I make sure that this is securely glued on there, really want it nice and tight on there. Usually we use the glue guns, and we have students come to us. Depending on how comfortable you are with your students or in what age group you're working with, I guess depends on whether or not you want them to use the glue guns, because they get pretty hot. So once we have that glued to the bottom of the cup, we take our coil of wire, and when we use this wire, we want to make sure that the ends are kind of shaved off with our sandpaper, because there's this coating on the wire that prevents the conduction of electricity. So you want to make sure that before you start the activity, you take the sandpaper and shave off the end strips of these. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a strip and we're going to make sure that the ends are plenty exposed, and we're just going to wrap it around. Ooh, it's so hot. We're just going to wrap it around this strip of paper. And you're just going to do that a bunch of times until this wire's all gone, and you're going to again make sure that the ends are left exposed. So at the end it should look like this, and then I'm just going to glue this here, show you the end product. we have our coil wire around our paper, fits easily in these magnets. So I'm just going to let that cool real quick. So now we take our square piece cardboard, 2 magnets, glue the 2 magnets to the center of the cardboard, and now we take this, should be done drying, and we're just going to take these 2 cardboard strips and glue the edges of them to opposite sides of the bottom of the cup. Now that we have that, we're going to glue these so that the speaker wire fits right over the magnet. So set those in place. Bunch of glue down. Just like that. So now we've built pretty much the whole components to our speaker, and the last thing we need to do is take our stripped speaker wire, it should be stripped at 2 ends, and take each end and attach it to the ends of our wire. Now to do this, I usually just take an end of each wire, put them together, and just twist them together. That prevents the need of soldering them. Just twist them together so there's a lot of connection. And then I take this electric tape that we have and just put a piece of tape around it. Make sure that it stays together and the flow of electricity still happens. So after we do all that, you get something like this, and this is a full functioning speaker. So we can plug this in to any audio device that allows for external speakers, a boombox, stereos. We take a stereo around to the camps and let the kids plug it in to listen to the radio. So what's happening is electricity is coming through this wire. It's going through the coil of wire, producing a magnetic field, interacting with the magnet, and making it move, and these 2 cardboard springs are allowing it to vibrate easily. So it just vibrates the cup and produces sound. So there you have it, your very own homemade speaker.